Hey there loves! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jade Castillo and I release videos in which I share my know-hows on the nitty-gritty of English and research. If you want to reinforce your learnings in these topics, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of my uploads. In this video, I am gonna discuss how to make a statement of the problem for a quantitative study. And for the bonus, we will also make your paradigm of the study. So if you are interested, please do watch until the end.
Let us stick with the sample research title I discussed on how to write a research title in a quantitative study video, which is Speaking Competence of Senior High School Students in Allen National High School. First, identify the variables in the title. That is one criteria of a good research title for quantitative study, that the independent and dependent variables are explicit in the title. So, we have speaking competence and senior high school students. The independent variable is senior high school students, and the dependent variable is the speaking competence. To start, let us make the first paragraph. This study will assess the English speaking skills as well as the contributing factors, strengths, and weaknesses of the senior high school students in Allen National High School. As you have observed, I used the modal will to signify future action because my students are writing a research proposal. If you are already making a full-blown research, use the present tense. Moving on to the second paragraph, we will now craft the specific questions. Specifically, this will opt to answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the profile of the senior high school students in terms of 1.1 age, 1.2 sex, 1.3 family monthly income, 1.4 learning materials available at home, 1.5 reading materials preferred, and 1.6 broadcast media preferred. Perhaps you are asking my basis for including these subvariables in the profile of the respondents. All you have to ensure that these subvariables are relevant in the research. Each one of them could be factors in developing the speaking competence of the respondents. Number 2. What is the level of academic performance of the senior high school students? We can refer to the legend provided in the School Form 9 Learners Progress Report Card of the Department of Education. Thirdly, we have what is the level of speaking competence of senior high school students? To quantify the level of speaking competence of senior high school students, the researchers must look for a standardized research instrument, a valid and reliable speaking test which you can find in language or language assessment related websites or reference materials like English textbooks. Since the research designed to be utilized is descriptive correlational, we will now craft questions that will correlate the aforementioned variables. For SOP 4, correlate the profile and academic performance of the senior high school students. Is there a significant relationship between the profile of the senior high school students and their level of academic performance? For SOP 5, correlate the profile and speaking competence of the senior high school students. Is there a significant relationship between the profile of the senior high school students and their level of speaking competence? For SOP 6, correlate the academic performance and speaking competence of the senior high school students. Is there a significant relationship between the level of academic performance and the level of speaking competence of the senior high school students? Now that you're done with the statement of the problem, let us immediately proceed to the paradigm of the study. The key to come up with a good paradigm of the study is referring to the questions in the statement of the problem. This refers to the first question in the statement of the problem. And indicated here is the question number 2. Meanwhile, the third box indicates the third question. And these lines signify correlation and questions 4, 5, and 6. That is the paradigm of the study for the sample research title and statement of the problem.
That ends today's lesson. If I was able to help you craft your statement of the problem and your paradigm of the study, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted of my lessons. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!